This is a CBS 11 News First Alert Weather Day Update.
Hey everybody, CBS 11 meteorologist Dominic on this First Alert Weather Day. Thanks for watching CBS News Dallas-Fort Worth. Yes, we have been tracking showers and some thunderstorms moving through the area. A strong line with gusty winds and heavy rain. We'll take you back just a bit ago through downtown Fort Worth as the squall line was moving through the area. And you'll notice it right here with all the really heavy rain. Those gusty winds started moving through the downtown area, moving eastward. And things have gotten a lot better when we talk about rain. But let me tell you, especially in downtown Fort Worth, things have quieted down, but we still have a few areas still seeing some pretty strong thunderstorms. A look at First Alert radar here, you'll notice this line continues pushing through parts of the Metroplex, especially through areas east of McKinney and Collin County, but you'll also notice a few spots here in Dallas County. As we zoom in toward downtown Dallas, you'll see along 352 and even 30 there, I-45 still seeing some heavier downpours near Colonial Avenue, Waco Avenue. There are likely some areas that could see some localized flooding, ponding here and there, so turn around, don't drown. And this line is pretty potent overall because it has been bowing out just a bit more as we've been seeing it. So that means some strong gusty winds moving through areas in Dallas County. And we've been seeing some of that in the southern portions of Dallas County, moving through DeSoto and even Duncanville. But things have kind of flattened just a bit with this line. Still moving eastward, though, still pretty strong. And you'll notice this line moving toward the Hutchins community near the Wilmer area, and will continue moving to the east there. So overall, areas towards Seagoville, we're going to continue seeing this moving a little bit closer to you. And then as we go farther south toward areas here in Ellis County, you'll see Waxahachie seeing some heavy rain, and we're definitely seeing some strong gusty winds out of this line and heavy rain that will continue being the scenario for a lot of us. This is the area that we'll need to watch, our southern areas over at least the next couple of hours, because we have been warming up. We have seen temperatures in the 70s, probably the warmest weather for the region for today. And so we need to see whether or not we have any more severe thunderstorms moving through the area. But here's the deal. As this system and this line moves mainly to the east, about 45 to 50 miles an hour or so, we've seen the movement today. It's headed toward Rockwall at about 12:03. How about near the Forney community at 12:09? Carl's Quarter at 12:14, the Ennis community at 12:20, near Kaufman at 12:29, Commerce there at about 12:37, Wills Point at 12:45, and near Miller Grove there at 12:49. So the strongest of the weather, the worst of the winds will continue pushing eastward. Now behind this, we still have rain, but it's this leading edge that we have had most concerns about. A bit earlier today, we had a tornado warning for Jack and Montague counties. We had severe thunderstorm warnings even for the Metroplex. But now the temperatures, they've cooled down a bit more, so we don't have as much instability out there. We really didn't have a ton of it anyway, but still overall, we're not seeing a bunch of thunderstorms at this point, but we still have the cold front that still needs to work its way through the area. So you'll mainly notice more of this light to moderate rain, mainly west of Dallas. So for Fort Worth and areas westward, that's what we're seeing on the First Alert radar at this point. A little bit of a break from some of the rain, but the cold front will still work its way eastward as we go through this afternoon. So looking at Futurecast, still for the next couple of hours, we'll need to be weather aware. And you'll notice the forecast models are really hinting at something happening here as we get a bit closer to 12:30 and 1. There's a potential that we could have maybe another strong thunderstorm or severe thunderstorm out there, something we'll continue watching on the radar, of course. That's toward 2:30. The main line here is over to the east, so you'll see toward areas like McKinney, Greenville, Terrell, areas a little bit closer to Sulphur Springs, starting to see some of the mix there. And then a little bit of a break before we start seeing maybe a few lingering showers pushing in with the actual cold front. That will happen about 8 or so, moving in from west to east. But even then, we'll need to watch to see if that happens. That will be a strong thunderstorm, strong line pushing through areas a bit closer to Jack County and Wise County. Maybe another little gusty front here, with the front, I should say. A gusty area there along the front toward 9:45 and 10 o'clock toward Denton and even Fort Worth. Things start to wind down. So we'll watch that closely for you. But some lingering showers will persist toward 11:45 and midnight tonight. And then once we head through the day tomorrow, we'll likely have more sunshine in the forecast and much better weather for a lot of us. Look at the hourly forecast for the remainder of the afternoon. We'll see temperatures hovering in the upper 60s and low 70s. And then eventually towards 7 o'clock, you'll see most of the temperatures in the 60s, so a bit more stable air will start moving in. Hopefully we don't have any more severe weather in the mix, but you'll see as we look at, again, the day plan overall for the rest of the afternoon, we are talking about temperatures that will be in the low 70s, even some upper 60s out there. So we will continue keeping an eye on First Alert Radar as we go through the afternoon. We'll have another update at the top of the hour at 1 o'clock right here on CBS News Dallas-Fort Worth. I'm CBS 11 meteorologist Dominic Brown along with meteorologist Jeff Ray in the forecast center. We're going to keep you updated with this weather as we go through the afternoon.
This has been a CBS 11 News First Alert Weather Day update.